Now you see, when we take long, they will start again.
It start
coming.
growing.
Yeah. So now we need to remove it. Yeah. We need.
Hinihintay ko si Benjamin dito, wala pa. Ito yung isang kaibigan kong gwardiya. Deng.
Yeah.
Deng Makwer.
Yeah.
Kep.
Mosquito. Come on. Una ball.
Ano Paul?
Okay. Aku nak lalu mosquito.
Ano wife from? Oh, Benjamin. Good morning. Narito na uli kami kay Benjamin. Hello. Hello. Ito naman nga pala yung inaani nila ngayon, no. Munggo yan, munggo. Ayan, no. Munggo yan. We call it munggo in our language.
Yeah. This is now it's even this thing is ready. You remember? This one.
Ah,
These are now.
the simsim. Ito naman yung mga sesame.
So you tie
Umani na sila, oh.
dry.
Mm.
When you get
It's
dry,
ready, ah.
now it's ready
Just need to dry.
to dry. Then we remove it.
Ito nga pala yung sorghum. This is the dura, the sorghum, right?
Yeah, yeah. The sorghum, yeah. So we put them up there.
Ito naman yung mga natuyo na sesame. Is this the simsim? The simsim, right?
This is simple, yeah. Now
Ganito pala yan.
when they get dry, they will come out. They remove some yesterday. They're inside there. So make this thing to dry. And then you remove.
We also have this one in the Philippines, but not so common.
Just pure.
Ito yung kitchen nila. Yung kusina. Pasukin natin. Tingnan natin ano itsura sa loob.
Yeah. This kitchen where we make the granite. Yeah, we can,
Nagluluto sila nung mani. Ganyan sila kung magluto dito ng mani.
yeah. And when we cook them, when we start to cook, we start eating.
Here it's okay that at least there is shelter. Even when it rains, you can cook.
They will cook there.
But the problem is the smoke.
Yeah,
of the
smoke
ice.
is too much. Because now I cannot get it full anymore. Like this one.
Yung palang mga mani, pinagdadala na nila dito lahat.
You put it up like this.
Kasi nung isang araw daw, marami silang mga inani, iniwan nila doon sa may farm. Pagdating nila kinabukasan, wala na, meron nang humakot na ibang tao. What happened to that one? You saw the tip of the one who took the
Yeah,
ginats?
no, she ran away, so I decided
Lady?
to put it here.
Or a man?
There is the two man and ladies. Yeah.
They ran away. They are not from here.
They are, we don't know where they come from because now there is too much grain in the garden, so we cannot find out where this people run. Yeah. So I decided to
Just
cure
put
the
it here.
one. So nobody can enter here.
Dito naman yung lagayan nila ng mga ng mga pagkain na. Yan na daw mga pagkain na daw yan eh. Yung mga napatuyo na nila, diyan nila nilalagay.
So
Para nakaimbak lang.
So we put everything. When you close.
May pintuto na steel door, yan oh. Tingnan niyo yung dingding nila oh. Lupa lang yan eh. But it's thick ha.
It's very thick.
It's
We
thick,
make
huh?
it double. So just thick, you see.
Mahigit isang dangkal. Mahigit isang dangkal yung
We make it double.
Mhm.
So remain plastering. It will look very strong. Yeah, it's very thick. We make like kudura. We make we carry them and then we start cooking.
Meron din pala siya ditong malunggay oh.
We can do it.
This moringa, right?
Yeah. Moringa.
Did it bring fruit before or
Yeah.
not yet?
Last year it was very big, so I started to cut the big one.
Ah.
Even it was producing.
It's producing fruit
last
already,
year,
ah.
Yeah. This is I cut the new one, now it's coming. Now I think this one is start producing. It's coming now slowly.
Hmm.
Yeah. Now it's becoming starting fruit.
But here you don't eat the beans of the moringa, right?
Yeah, for us.
You only know the leaves.
Yeah, we don't know how to use it.
That beans is very nutritious.
But one day I will try. When it to produce, I will bring you so you can try.
Dito nga pala yung mga kasaba nila, malalaki yan kung maglaman. Gaya nitong isa na to, meron ditong nag-crack na sa lupa. Pagka ganyan daw, sigurado daw malaki na yung laman yan. Dito na naman ako inabot ng tanghalian. Ito yung hinanda nila ngayon. Time for lunch na daw eh.
Let's call Mandela Point.
Next time, you just prepare the rice. I will bring Filipino food next time.
So to come and make it here.
So that you can try the Filipino food. Yung mga anak niya, magkakasalong kumakain doon sa isang malaking plato. Ito nga palang lugar nila, malayo na to sa ano eh. Hindi naman talagang sobrang layo, pero kung lalakarin, mahigit 1 kilometro. Kaya tinitingnan ko, nung papunta kami dito, tinitingnan ko kung merong tindahan. Tanong natin dito sa kanya. Benjamin, so here, is there a store nearby?
There's no store.
No store?
Yeah, until near the market.
So you need to go to the main road.
Yeah, we go to the main road so that we buy sugar, salt and other things. But here nothing.
But it's very far, huh?
Yeah, let's just go like that.
And how about for cooking? What do you use for cooking here? Charcoal?
Cooking, sometimes when we have money, we buy charcoal. When no money, we just would use the wood.
You use wood?
Yeah.
Because I know in town, most of them, they are using charcoal.
Yeah, it depends when you have money. But if you don't have money, you use the wood. Because here in the village, you just have a lot of wood.
A lot of trees.
Yeah.
So you can get wood.
Well, no need to use the charcoal.
Ito pala yung karkade. Yung hibiscus flower. Yan o. Yung ginagawang parang tsaa. Yan pala yan. Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng halaman na yan. Yan o. Pinapatuyo yan eh. Yung petals nung bulaklak na yan. Pinapatuyo. Ginagawang parang tsaa. Ang tawag nga, karkade. Hibiscus flower. Hindi ko napapansin, marami palang mga kalabasa oh. Ando sa mga pagitan ng mga sorghum. Ayun oh, meron dun. Meron dito. Meron din dito. Ang dami doon, marami rin dun eh oh. Nung lumakad kami doon, madami rin doon. Ayan pa oh. Ito yung patani. Yung tinanong ko nung nakaraan. Kinakain nga daw nila. Kinakain nila yan. Naglakad-lakad kami ng medyo malayo-layo. Doon naman daw yung bahay ng kapatid niya. Maganda na yung bubong. Yero na. Pero mapapansin nyo dyan, yung ginamit nila, putik lang din.
This type of iron sheet need to make a joint properly. But the one who makes joint didn't join it.
What is this wood? Is this mahogany?
Is a Morgan.
Mahogany, ha? Because I can see it's red.
Yeah. Even in the one I'm using in my house is Morgan. This one antimines cannot take, cannot eat.
This one, to put the nail is very difficult.
Very difficult. Yeah. It's hard. But
It's hard. I know, it's hard.
Yeah, when they bring it when it's still soft. Now you see, when we take long, they will start again.
It start growing.
Yeah. So now we need to remove it. Yeah. We need to remove it.
Ito na yung mga nakuha naming mga mani. Uwi ko daw.
Mga bahay nilang ganito, ang tatangkad nila, pero yung pinto napakababa. Yan, oh. Yuyuko ka talaga dyan pagka papasok ka.
Ito yung ginamit nila, coco lumber yan, oh. Ano? Matagal na daw yan. Yung mga coco lumber daw dito, matitibay din. Kagaya daw niya, no. Ito, inanay. Pero hindi nakain ng anay yung ano. Hindi kagaya nitong mga ito. Ayan, pag inanay, nagkakasira-sira na. Itong isa mahogan ito eh. Matibay talaga yan. Ito yung coco lumber. Gaya nitong nandito sa loob, oh. Coco lumber din pala yan, oh.
Very strong.
Pero sabi niya, 5 taon na daw yan. Parang bago pa, oh. Matibay yung coco lumber nila dito pala.
You see, just like a new one now. You see.
It still look new, ah.
Yeah. 5 years now, nothing. It's very strong.
Ayan pala yung mga
When they're ready, they will take to the store.
mga mani na nabilad na.
This one we use for the water during the dry season.
It's also ginat, ah.
Yeah. This one is already dry. This one now, okay. Just to put in the sack and take them to the store.
Pinakawala nila yung mga kambing at mga tupa para daw mga manginain. Itinaboy nila papunta doon sa isang lugar at bahala na daw magsiuwi yan sa hapon. Iniwan lang nila yung pinakamaliit. Pag daw kasi mayroong nagawing aso doon sa pinuntahan ng mga malalaki, makakagat daw to.
Gustong-gusto nila yung nasa video eh.
Narito na uli ako sa compound namin. Sinusundo niya ako at hinahatid. At nagbibigay din siya ng ng padala sa akin pagka umuwi ako. Ngayon, ang binigay niya isang kalabasa at mga mani. Kaya meron uli akong igugulay na kalabasa. At bago ko nga pala tapusin yung video, shoutout po muna uli tayo. Shoutout po kay David Tabar, Rick the Barber, Richard Reyes, at shoutout din po kay Jo Marie Landerio, Buhay ng Simpleng Guro, Buhay Kalikasan. Shoutout din po sa Guanga Family, kaya Banji Davis, Simpleng Buhay, at kaya Mr. Farmer. At sa lahat po ng mga sumusubaybay sa mga ina-upload ko, maraming salamat po.